Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are having a great day. Now today we are back working on Beep, and today we're going to be trying to install my Big 7 Jeep cables kit on Beep. Now if you've never heard of Jeep cables or the Big 7 kit, it's pretty much every major wire that runs from the battery to like the starter, the alternator, the fuse box, and all the different grounds. And it pretty much it's just bigger, thicker gauge wire, it's better connections, and it helps with any little electrical gremlins. It helps on startup and supposedly power, but we're going to be testing that out today. Now, my wiring is an absolute rat's nest, and I'm not the best with wiring, so we are going to be tackling this. I'm probably gonna like watch a video and then do something and then watch a video and do something because I have no clue what I'm really doing and I don't want to mess it up. So whatever video that I do end up watching, I will link in the description. So if you want like a more informational video to do it yourself, then you can do that, because my videos are not informational at all. But without further ado, let's get straight into today's video. All right, so first things we have to do is unloom the factory harness. So I'm just gonna try and cut all this out and try not to cut myself in the process. But we need to get all these wires exposed so I can see what goes to where, because we're gonna just unconnect one wire and then reconnect a new one and just do it one by one. I feel like that's gonna be a lot easier and the least confusing. I need to really take this out. Yeah, it's not even worth it. This can go out of the way. I think I'm just gonna take this out for right now. It's funny, everything I did in the last, or not the last video, but the one video where I put these lights in, I'm undoing all of it. It's okay, I'm getting redone, so. I don't want to cut this fucking tube, because I don't want coolant shooting everywhere when I start it up. You know what? Alright, so let me take all of these out. So I can just see what everything looks like. Came with a bunch of stickers. Those are going to go on the roof of the Jeep at the end of the video like usual. A bunch of different things. Okay. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure this one goes right here like this. But this also came with new terminals. It's like military style terminals, I believe they're called. Is a lot nicer. I'm still waiting for the new battery. I haven't even ordered it yet. I'm waiting to order it. But this is what comes with the kit. There's 2 more wires in here. As you can see, they're a lot thicker. They're a lot like better quality, and pretty much everything in, like all the parts that are already here, or the wires that are already here, they're very old. So a lot of them probably should be replaced anyway. Okay. Probably gonna try and clean all of these too, just because it's off anyway, and when you want really good connections, because this is a ground too. So, okay, so I got this cleaned up pretty much. I could spray more brake cleaner on it. And then cool thing about these is they're labeled. So this side says battery, so this goes to the battery. This side says fender, so this side goes to the fender. And just tighten this down. Here we go. And then this should go on like this, I believe. There we go. So there's the ground part of the battery. Pretty sure the next thing, I'll take this off, because this needs to be taken off too. Wrong side. Alright, so I just finished watching the video and he pretty much took everything off first, so that's what I'm going to be doing. And if I don't know where something goes, I can always just go back to the video. But we're going to take all this shit off and then put all the new shit on. Yeah, that's gross. Where did I put that brush? This one. Got this one out. Gonna loosely thread this back on so I know which bolt goes to where. Alright, so I've been unwiring a lot of this stuff and I got down to the starter. My starter looks a lot different, or my starter wires look a lot different than the ones in the video. Mine has this weird like rubber piece connecting them, so I'm gonna cut this off because this wire right here I didn't need to take off. It was this one, because this is the wire that goes to the battery cable that I'm replacing. So I'm gonna try and cut this shit off.
No, 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 no! Wait, 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 wait! Wait, 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 wait!
Better just cut this shit. Or let's rip it out. There we go. Yeah, but part of the wire is exposed now. That sucks. So make a mental note that I have to fix this because part of this wire is exposed now. I could technically just wrap it up with electrical tape, but the point of this is to make the wire safer and better connections, and that's not safer and better connections. W. Got that one out now. Now, like with everything I'm doing, put the bolt back on so I remember where it goes. Get to do this. Now I don't know what size fuse I'm supposed to be using. It comes with a 15 and a 20. I'm gonna try with the 15. This is a 10. No, I'm stupid. It's a 12. It's not a 12 either. Damn. It's a 13. I remember it's a 13. I'm pretty sure this is the only wire that goes on here. There's two that came off before, but only one is labeled PDC on the wires, so. And then this goes to the alternator. This freaking fuse thing isn't staying on. Probably gonna get like self-tapping screws and mount that there. But this one goes to the alternator. does not fit. Okay. Now I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna have to like cut the little, there's like a plastic trim piece around the bolt for the alternator. And since this is a bigger gauge wire, it doesn't fit in there. So I'm gonna have to fix that in a second. But this goes to the alternator, I know that. Oh, this goes to the PDC too. I'm a dumbass. I think we already knew that though. There we go. And then this goes to battery post. So what is this one? Really wanna just self-tap this here, but I need to get screws for that. Oh, and then the rest are just grounds. Alright guys, so I finished wiring all of the new wires up. We have both the new terminals in, all the wires, PVC, the fuse. I put a new ground from the firewall to the cylinder head. I need to find out what bolt this is. I think the reason that my lights were flashing in there was because this was just chilling without a wire on it, or without a bolt on it. So I need to figure that out. But a couple things that I had to do to get this kit to work. First thing is, I think it was this wire right here. The hole wasn't big enough, so I kind of had to like hammer the bolt through it for it to fit. And then on the alternator, there was like kind of a plastic guard thing, and I had to take that off to get the wire to fit. And then obviously, you guys saw I had to cut off the weird thing that was conjoining those two wires. But besides that, pretty good kit. We'll have to see how it works once I get the new battery. I'm not gonna end the video off yet. I'm gonna wait till I get the new battery and then put the new battery in and see how it works. And so yeah, I'll pretty much throw you guys back on when the new battery is here. All right, so I got the old battery put back in because I'm not gonna order the new battery just yet. But we did start it and it's working good. Eh?
Motorcraft is Ford's like actual one, right?
I think so.
Yeah, they have one.
Yeah, get that. But anywho, I am put stickers on my roof. Huh? But I need to put these stickers on the roof because every time I get parts that come with stickers, I put them on the roof. Probably gonna put them like there. But I need someone to record. Let me fucking get the sticker off the fucking sticky. Alright, make sure you're actually recording me.
Oh, well, this Jeep cables.
Yeah. And there's an XJ. I love how I have the Method race wheel stickers on here. I don't got Method race wheel, I got stock ass wheels.
Don't even worry about it. Where'd you even get them?
The stickers?
No, the Method.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Yeah, where'd you get it?
I don't remember. I think I got them for free from someone. And I just put them on because I like Method race wheels. We have stickers.
You wish that was you, huh?
Alright guys, so this is where I am going to be ending off today's video. We got pretty much all of the cables back in. What a bunch of fucking retards, bro. Got the new cables in. I self-tapped the fuse to the side of the car here. When I get a new battery, I will put the new battery in. But for now, this is where I am going to be ending off today's video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you in the next one. Peace.
Say right foot creep, oh, I'm walking with that heater. Look around, step.